Okay, like a lot of homes in this area of South Park, we have older homes that are often nearly 100 years old, and they pretty much all have water in their basement. That was our problem. We didn't have tons of water, but it was often, after a storm, it would be wet down there, at least a quarter inch of water. We did try other things. I mean, we painted all our stone walls downstairs with dry lock, so that we thought, since we did not have so much water, like inches of water in our basement, maybe just dry lock would take care of it, but it did not. I have a friend who's a realtor in town, and I had asked her what I could do to improve the property for when we want to sell it. She said, get rid of the water in the basement. I feel like the methodology is very reputable, and it's used by other people, so the system is really good. The biggest thing is that even though we've had some big rainstorms, it has been dry in the basement. That's the number one thing. I thought we were going to have to dig up the entire outside with some kind of excavating equipment, and I was surprised to find out that no, they don't touch the outside, it's all inside, so that was great news for us. Martin was really great. I feel like he was thorough, did a good job. He also explained things well to me. Whenever I go down there, he would give me a good rundown, explain things at the end. My wife told me that she's looking forward to the day when she can walk down into the basement without having her shoes on, because it'll be dry and eventually painted and it'll be clean.